Please note that your car radio must be set to aux in order for the Adaptiv to function correctly. To access the Adaptiv, press and hold the media button. Once loaded, you will be presented with an ample choice of options. One of the biggest aspects of the Adaptiv is the iGo Primo navigation system. Through the navigation system, you can calculate and choose fast and easy routes by either laying down a marker on the map or by inputting your own zip or postcode. The navigation also includes green routing options, as well as stunning 3D visualizations, which will provide a rapid understanding of your next maneuver. With the addition of a DAB tuner, you can then access a range of DAB channels, all shown in alphabetical order. The amount of channels depends on your location and signal strength. The HDMI option can be utilised by simply plugging in a HDMI cable into the Adaptiv side port. Once attached to your smartphone, you can then watch videos from your phone on the car's display. By attaching a DVB tuner, you can watch terrestrial television on the car's display, as well as change channels using the touchscreen controls. The range of channels available to you is dependent on your location and signal strength. Heading into the settings menu, you can alter an array of options concerning an aftermarket camera, the HDMI input, and much more. Depending on your native tongue, the Adaptiv includes a wide range of languages for you to choose from, all represented by the respective national flag. You also have the additional option to update, play, or view media from both a USB or SD card, as well as the option to access files and information regarding the Adaptiv software. The Adaptiv is a truly versatile experience that has been tailor-made for the motorcar user.